West Bank Israeli troops shoot Palestinian woman dead. Israel Netanyahu fails to form coalition exit polls. Russia and Saudi Arabia discuss Aramco attack. France to send experts for probe of Saudi oil attack. Iran Saudi oil attacks warning to end Yemen war. US Trump announces new substantial sanctions on Iran. Turkey to initiate own plans if safe zone deal fails. Russia accuses US of hindering peace process in Syria. Algerian army claims foiling destructive plot. Liberia fire at Islamic school kills 27 students. Suicide attacker hits ID card office in Afghanistan. Babri Mosque case, Indian top court sets final deadline.